So John and I were talking, and we think you would agree that counter space in RVs is minimal at best. So stick around, we made something workable for us, and we'd like to show you guys. Basically what we're going to be doing is a shelf extension. I got the board at Hobby Lobby. We've already measured out how long we would like it. We're going to be using collapsible shelf brackets. We also need to be mindful of the outlet, and this is very flimsy. So we're going to have to put 2x4s in the back of this to give it some security and some strength. We will put links in the description below to the materials that we used for this project. So if you want to do it yourself, they'll be easy to find.
So now that I got the access door off, you can see there's plenty of room to work in here to put bracing for the folding shelf brackets. As you can see, it's outstanding craftsmanship on these things. So we're going to use the scrap piece that we cut off of the main shelf as a template so we can get the correct height adjustment and the forward to back adjustment. So now we can get our looks like we can mount flush. Oh. And that gives some good flow from the edge of the cabinet. We're cleared of the outlet. Can you hand me the pencil? Thank you. So mark these holes. So there's where we need to drill through. We're going to drill some pilots. Make sure I'm not going to go through anything I shouldn't be. So because the rotational forces pressure is put on the cutting board is going to rotate everything in this way, I'm going to put some wood glue on these 2x4s so it kind of sticks to the stuff down here. And I'm going to get them up as high as I can to where there's actually some bracing up in the very top that these will touch that will help support it.
There you go.
I'm just going to give these a little start. Because unfortunately, now 2 arms. So I'm just going to get this one in screwed into the board most of the way, and then I can rotate this up to where I can get at the top hole and the 2x4 will be held. Started. Take some.
Okay, yeah, that did not turn out as planned. Much better. So with the magic of editing, we got this done in no time. And a trip to Home Depot. So let's talk in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you enhanced your countertop space in your RV. So this is the end result. Anyway, hope you like our video. Please like and subscribe and hope to see you out camping.